They have some different recreation events, a dive-in movie. How fun. They don't have anything going on right now, but we're at the pool for a little bit just to relax this evening. Wanted to include some more stuff about our resort here. Royal Pacific, so they have the pool, a little play area for the kids over there, pool bar. This is like a little zero entry pool, and we're gonna come over here in the sand and pretend like we're on the beach. They give you huge towels that have a little pocket on the end to slip over your pool chair, and then it covers the entire thing, which is awesome. Oh, this feels so nice.
Yeah, it feels like a bath.
We just got this GoPro and we're having way too much fun with it. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are checking out today from the Royal Pacific at Universal. We're trying to get packed. So we're working on it, but here's where we need to figure out
All the merch.
all the merchandise that we bought at Disney with a 30% discount.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get all this packed away, and then we'll give a little bit of a room tour and kind of go check out the lobby a little bit and tell you guys what we thought about our stay here.
Hello.
Welcome to the Royal Pacific.
All right, let's take a look at it.
Okay, so we got things packed away a little bit. This thing, I hope to God it's not 50 pounds.
Ooh.
So this is our room. It's basic. This is a standard king bed room. Yeah, so this is the bed. There is actually a lot of room in here.
There is, yeah.
Yeah, so in here you have refrigerator and Keurig coffee maker, which is kind of nice in the mornings. Some drawer space as well. Nice big TV, a desk area. Again, plenty of plugs and USB ports all around these rooms, which is so great for all of the charging needs that we have, and
yeah.
I'm sure many others have. Nice nightstands with the charging stations. I thought the bed was really comfortable.
It was, yeah.
Did you think it was really comfortable?
Yeah, the pillows were nice too.
Yeah,
it was
I thought
good.
It was comfortable. This is the closet. We definitely used that thing. Ironing board, hangers. Bathroom is pretty basic over here. Don't mind this. We've stayed here for 3 nights already, so all of our towels have been used. But vanity area, mirror, blow dryer, plenty of towels. We have plenty of towels for the entire stay because they're not doing housekeeping during this time. Basic shower.
Yeah, shower was nice.
Nice shower head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we enjoyed staying here. I think the proximity to the parks was key.
Last, our view. So we had kind of like a little courtyard view of the garden. So nothing too much to look at, but
Well, the palm trees are nice.
yeah, palm trees are nice, and then it's, you know, you have your privacy and stuff too, which is good.
And this is really pretty. Like these I think that's a plumeria flower, right? Is that what that is?
I don't know. It looks cool.
But it's really pretty, and the nice like headboard is really pretty, and the fire dancer. So I really do like the theme.
Yeah,
It's,
it is.
you know, it's the Pacific Island theme. So that's really neat. And they also have like a luau here. It's the Wantilon, I think. Luau. It's not going right now. It's closed right now because of everything with COVID. So it hopefully will be back up running soon. But it all goes with the theme again. So they have a fun luau that you can experience at this hotel too. You can also do contactless checkout. So you can check out on your TV, your in-room television, or even your mobile device if you'd like. Corey's going to try it on the TV right now. So you go to...
Probably to guest directory, huh? Or
so
guest services.
you go to guest services.
Okay.
And then you go
Account and
to
checkout.
account review.
Account and checkout.
Yeah. And then you just select to review your account details.
Okay, let's hit pretty easy. Couple clicks of the button.
And there you go, we're done. So we're checked out.
Okay.
They did give us hand sanitizer in our room. This is the same hand sanitizer that they had in the parks, which they had everybody get a squirt before each ride. I'm leaving that here because it smells really weird and it kind of just has like a thick consistency, so I didn't love the hand sanitizer, so I'll just leave that here. But yeah, we actually really liked our room here at Royal Pacific. It worked out really well for us. It's nice, and we're gonna go head towards the lobby now and show you that. So we were on level 3 in the Tower 2, which is the same level as the lobby. So right there when you walk in is where they were taking temperatures. They have a vacation planning center here. You can pick up tickets or ask information. They have the luggage services here as well. This is the check-in desk over here. Lots of signage and information. They did have a texting service that we could just text them and ask any questions at all.
Or they'll bring like fresh towels, stuff like that.
Exactly. They have a nice sitting area here. Really pretty in this lobby. This is the beautiful garden area. Oh, my camera's gonna fog up on me. I really like that they have little tables out here. You can come get coffee, you know, eat a snack, eat your breakfast. And they have a little market inside that you can grab a couple things, and we might do that. Tower 3, and through there is where we always would go down the elevator to go to the water taxi and the pool. So it wasn't far from our room at all. This is the Orchid Court Lounge. This is a sushi bar as well. And if you come down the stairs, that's where you can find Jake's Bar, and then also Islands Restaurant. This is Islands. They have A lot of seating for people. And they actually have an outdoor patio back there that people can dine at as well. Back on level 3, they have a gift shop, of course, so if you didn't get what you wanted at the parks, you can snag something back here at the hotel. You can even buy wands in here. And robes. So before we leave for the airport, we're gonna stop in the Tuk Tuk Market. They have some grab and go items. They also have coffee and pastries. They have Tuk Tarts. Wow. Those look really good. And they have macaroons. Okay, so that was our stay at Loews Royal Pacific. And now it's time to go to the airport. So thank you guys for following along. And of course, if you have any questions about Universal, Disney, resorts, vacations, please reach out to me and Tiffany. We're here to help you.